Anna looked around the classroom and instantly regretted everything. She'd planned a group activity, something collaborative and communicative, tick, tick. But what was actually happening? Well, one group was deep in conversation. Unfortunately, it was in Spanish. Another group was sitting in awkward silence, clearly hoping anyone, would take the lead. And one poor student just wandered off to sharpen a pencil for the third time. Anna sighed. This was not what she'd imagined when she'd written group speaking task in her lesson plan. Ever had that happen? You plan lovely, interactive activities and it turns into chaos. One group's having a party, another's gone on strike, and you're just standing there wondering whether you should step in or just crawl under your desk. Anna messaged me that evening.
Joe, today's group work was a complete disaster. No one did the task properly. Half of them spoke in their first language, and the rest just stared at each other.
Oh, Anna, we've all been there. But good news, she found a way through it. And if your group activities ever go sideways, these tips might help you too. So keep watching. Hello, if you're new, I'm Jo Gakonga. I've been teaching for over 35 years and training teachers on CELTA and MA tesol courses for 25 years of that. I also run a website at elttraining.com where I make practical video-based resources for teachers who want to feel confident, capable and calm in the classroom. If that's you, click like and subscribe. I post a new video every week. Okay, so what went wrong and how did Anna fix it? First, she realised that she just said working groups and left it at that. No clear instructions, no roles, no real structure. And as she discovered, most learners need that structure, otherwise chaos reigns. So next time, she gave them clear steps. You're going to discuss these 4 options. Choose the best one. You've got 5 minutes. Go.
Joe's tip. Be specific. What's the task? What's the outcome?
Second, she modelled what she wanted. Instead of just hoping they'd magically know what to do, she demonstrated it with one of the more confident learners.
I think the museum's the best because it's free. What do you think?
She even put some useful phrases on the board. What do you think? Shall we choose this one? I'm not sure I agree. Little things, but they gave the learners something to say and they used it.
Joe's tip. Model the interaction. Give them the language. Make it easy to start.
Third, she addressed the L1 issue. Now, look, using your first language isn't evil and it can have a really useful place in the classroom, especially at lower levels. But the goal is English practice. They're going to have to use English. So Anna made it clear.
I want you to try to do the task in English. If you get stuck, ask me or use a dictionary, but give it a go.
And she watched and monitored during the task, circulating, encouraging, gently nudging, and just knowing she was listening helped them to stay on track.
Joe's tip. Set expectations clearly. Encourage English without being the language police.
And finally, she gave them a reason to care. She gave them a problem to solve and a goal.
Your class is organising a charity event. Choose the best idea and get ready to present it to the class.
Suddenly, there was a little accountability and a lot more motivation.
Joe's tip: make the task purposeful with a reason to talk and an end point to aim for.
A few days later, Anna messaged me again.
Joe, the group work actually worked. They were discussing, negotiating, staying in English. It felt like a real achievement.
Love to hear that. So, if your group activities sometimes go a bit sideways, remember, give super clear instructions and structure, model what you want and give them the language, gently manage the L1 use, encourage, don't police, and make the task meaningful with a purpose and an outcome. And if you'd like more friendly, practical ideas like this, head over to my website. There's lots there. And if you're looking for CPD that fits your life, have a look at the Next Step programme. It's full of stuff like this, supportive, structured, and designed to help you grow without the stress. The link's below, and I hope to see you there.